What are they doing? Are they at a party? They fell down on their face? Oh, Pocahontas.
Each team is going to get a grid. The grid represents the floor space of our classroom.
She's hiding behind the mirror. Can't see her, can you?
It's much easier to move pieces of paper instead of moving around pieces of paper.
Oh, she goes in the garden. Okay. Get her off the dance floor. Ah! I've been attacked by Pocahontas. Ah! She's gonna make a trip behind the mirror too. Okay, bye. Can you see her? Oh, you just see yourself. Okay, put Pocahontas by my leg where she belongs. Okay, now what? Really? I don't know. What do you see? Something on the TV? Is it a horsey?
George.
Oh, George, sorry. Fiona, what about your princesses? Addie? Yay! Hey, bud. Oh, sorry, she's got to go back in the line. Okay. What happens next? She goes to the garden. Doo, doo, doo.
Rainforest Cafe, proud sponsor of PBS Kids, reminding you that reading and creative thinking.
She's got to line up next to my leg with the others. She didn't go behind the mirror, though. Oh, yeah. It's got to go.